Hi, this is Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach. Today is my fifth and final pot, video on the value of networking and how it can impact your professional career. If you've watched my previous videos, I've focused on three main things. Number one connection or one conversation can change everything in your professional career, but you got to be prepared for it. You got to know how to talk about yourself. Secondly, it's not always what you know, but who you know. You got to take action. You got to find ways to network. You got to meet people. And the third thing I've shared is it's not what you know. It's not always who you know, but who knows you. And that again underscores the importance of meeting people, making connections, and letting those help you connect the dots. Now, I'm a sales professional. I've been a salesman for 30 years in my professional career. That was pretty good. And I love sales. You know, in sales, my motto was this: people do not like to be sold, but they love to buy. And they buy from people they trust, has high integrity, that are interesting, and people that believe in themselves and their product. So that was my key to success. Now, as I became a manager, I had a sales team, and I want to make it easy for them to understand the keys to being successful in sales. And I always told them it's about the beef and it's about the sizzle. I want, again, beef and sizzle. So what does that mean? Well, if you like steak, and I know there's some out there that probably are vegetarians, but if you like steak, and you go to a so-called high-end steak place like Ruth Chris, you walk in the front door, and the thing that gets your attention is the aroma in the air and how they cook their steaks. And so once you order and they bring out your dinner, it's on a sizzle or on a steak plate, hot plate. And it's still sizzling and it's hot, and that just increases your appetite. You want to dig in, you can't wait. Well, I tried to convey that to my sales team. So, what's the beef? Well, the beef on a sales team is your belief in yourself. That's the beef, and a belief in your product. That's the beef. So, but you can't, the sizzle is your passion, the passion that you want to be with people, your passion in your product, the passion in sales. That's the key to networking. So as you start meeting people and start connecting, bring the beef. That's what you will provide to them. But don't forget the sizzle, man. You got to have the sizzle, your passion for having a professional career and delivering the best you possibly deliver. Bring the beef, but don't forget the sizzle. This is Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach. Always remember, don't travel alone. I'm here to help. Reach out.